first time. You can see him on the car.
Yeah.
Bless you. Yeah, you can see him on the car right there. You don't see him on top of the car. That looks like Frank. I know, Frank. I just said that. Ooh, that's his name.
I'm gonna smack you in your mouth with them words. The wrong one gonna come out and I'm gonna hear it. And you're gonna eat teeth, okay? Just so you know.
Oh, I was looking for it. Oh, now I get it.
Now you get it.
What does that mean? I know what you meant by that. Until I was like, what? I wasn't paying attention.
She knows. She always did it. Uh-oh, here comes another one.
Oh, what'd you say? It's coming towards us. Where it's forward, you punch him on the teeth and you're eating the teeth. Because the teeth are going inside your mouth.
Knock your teeth out your mouth. That's what that means.
Hey, don't look like it's coming towards us. Kinda. Oh, God.
That's not what that means.
My brother has that one. She said she does. It looks like it's coming towards us. Oh. Those like blood shots right here.
Oh, my arm hurt too.
I'll video camera for you. I'll video camera for you. Oh, that was like a video for a second. Yeah, right?
I was trying to do a zoom, but I can't zoom.
You can.
Not while I'm recording on the camcorder.
Okay.
I can do it on the camera, but not on my camcorder.
Let's go pee. Oh gosh, I think we got a tree or something.
Riddell,
Take him by a tree. I'm gonna take him by a tree. Alright. Go to Rendell. It looks like a heart. Right here, Rendell. Oh, go
what?
Rendell, go. Rendell, go take it to the bathroom. No!
What?
I want to go follow.
Riddell gonna take you.
No!
Yes. All the way over there behind the trees. Ain't nobody in those cars because they can't see the fireworks from over there. Over there now. Come over and down. Give me a second over there. You ain't got to come up in there. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you, okay? He didn't want to get out of the car. No, he didn't want to get all the way out of the car.
Why make that sound?
That explosion.
Oh, that was a clean up right there.
It always explodes before it does anything else. Huh? Well, bursting starburst. That was a starburst. And I don't know what that was. It was a dud. Stars. Those are stars. You see that?
Yeah.
And that's
stars.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that was. Stars. Blush.
Here you go. You got poop. You got poop.
Where you at?
What happened? All them balloons and nothing?
They come from the balloons? I don't think it's one of these.
That was a dud. It didn't do anything but fall.
But two stars.
Stars and stripes. Ooh.
That was a nice. That was a balloon.
That was a big one.
He's gone.
You want to sit in the car? You scared?
No.
Yeah, okay.
I'm in the car.
Why? You scared?
Yeah, come here.
Is it too loud? Oh, you want to sit on the car? Oh. Huh? You see it? Oh, all right. That's you sitting on the car. At the fireworks. All those booms and nothing happened. What happened? Whoa! Yeah. Oh, nice. That one was nice. Oh.
I want to see. I said the see. I want to see dancing. Come here. Don't hang on me no more.
Can you see? Wow. Did you hear that? Yay! can't see the kids. Can't really see you guys. It's too dark. I can hear you now. I can hear you now. All right. Chill. I like the multi one. That was neat. I go out two different sides? Yeah, that was nice. I've seen many like that. Haven't seen many like that, though. I only seen that one. It does? You can feel it?
Yeah. You feel the bad movement, too. He does that. It, like, vibrates.
Ooh. All right. Look at that. A double whammy.
I know, right? Oh, let's see that.
You. It was close. It was a little close.
I moved over and I was beat. No, like, could have ran us over.
Well,
I was going to touch the car, bro. I changed my mind.
I'm glad you did. Thank you. You're falling.
You know, I was like this. I was trying to put my foot up, and I went down so fast. I was not doing it. And Tommy fell off the bike.
Cool.
Look at it, look. Right here.
Who fell off the bed?
Tommy.
Oh.
No, I stopped. No bike. But.
This is the big display. Oh, it gutted out. Oh well, there's a lot of sprinklers. Maybe it was meant to do that.
I tried to turn it. I'll try to do that.
Are we coming to the end? No, it didn't say what time until. I know this was like the last thing on the menu, on the list. This is the light. Watch out, guys. I told you, watch out for the car. Oh. I didn't realize it was going to come that close to you. Yeah. He can turn it around so you can see in the front of him. Come here, Mayor. Come here. I want to see him. The light, he's not in, I needed him in the light so I could see it. That's alright, never mind. Whoa, what's happening? Something's on fire. Watch out, guys, another car. People are starting to... This is about to end.